You're leaving money on the table every single day and you don't even realize it. What if I told you there's a way to make thousands of dollars online without needing a product, employees, or a huge upfront investment? And no, this isn't just another scam or overhyped dream. I've tried it myself, and the results were shocking. Let me show you exactly how it works. I was just like you, scrolling through endless videos, looking for a real way to make money online. I tried everything: drop shipping, affiliate marketing, freelancing. Some worked, some didn't, but nothing compared to what I found inside the Online Business Club by Dave Nick. This isn't just another online course, it's a full blown community with step by step blueprints to making money online in ways you've probably never even heard of before. And the best part, it actually works. Most people fail at making money online because they don't have the right guidance. They jump from one thing to another, hoping something will stick. They waste time on outdated strategies, misleading gurus, and methods that only work if you already have thousands of dollars to invest. If that sounds familiar, then listen up, because the Online Business Club solves all of these problems. Inside the Online Business Club, you're not just getting another course, you're getting access to over 22 different online business models that are working right now. That means you can choose what fits your skills, your schedule, and your goals. From YouTube automation to affiliate marketing, from drop servicing to personal branding, every method is broken down in a way that even a complete beginner can follow. But what really makes this different is the coaching and networking. Every single week, you get live coaching with Dave Nick himself. You can ask questions, get feedback, and stay on top of what's actually working in the online space. Plus, you're surrounded by people who are already making it happen, so you're never alone in your journey. And let's talk about the job opportunities. This is huge. The Online Business Club isn't just about learning, it's about earning. Members get exclusive job offers that can pay up to $2,000 a month just for following the strategies inside the club. Imagine getting paid to learn how to make money online. That's exactly what's happening here. When I joined, I didn't expect much. But within my first month, I made more money than I ever thought possible. I followed the YouTube automation method Dave teaches, and within weeks, my channel was generating passive income. No need to show my face, no need to record my own videos. It was like printing money. And I'm not the only one. There are hundreds of success stories from people just like you who started with zero experience and now make a full-time income online. The difference, they took action. So here's the truth: you can keep doing what you've been doing, hoping something works, or you can take a shortcut and follow a proven system that's already making people money every single day. The choice is yours, but if you're serious about financial freedom, the Online Business Club is the fastest way to get there. Click the link in the description now to join the Online Business Club and start your journey to financial freedom today. Don't wait. Every day you delay is another day you're leaving money on the table. See you inside.